Hi, I'm Sarah Mick. I should have came in this video with something to talk about. That didn't happen. I'm a freak. My brain, it won't think. That was not good. I should scoot back. Oh, my mom is in Texas right now. Let me just get the storky stuff out of the way. I love you. That was a joke. I was kidding. I'd lie. Thinking today, I want a cat really badly. Meow. Cabaret. Oh, now I don't know what I'm doing. Where are my sunglasses? There we go. I want to go bowling. With the hands you have, choke me! As I was saying, I do like cookies. Yes, I do. This is going nowhere. That was probably... You know, you should go.